Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to be installing the first modification to my boat. And that modification is going to be installing some YakAttack geartrac rails. The purpose for these rails is going to be for me able to install some GoPros, some additional rod holders. I could put up a flag so whenever I'm in the lake or whatever the case may be, people can see me, those bigger boats. And with that, wish me luck drilling into my kayak. All right guys, so the first thing that I'm gonna do is to see how my rods actually are, how they look, how they are angled based on how I wanna put my tracks on the rear of my boat. So as you guys see, I have two rod holders that are facing to the rear, so I don't wanna put my tracks for them to be in the way when I install them, okay? All right, quick note guys, if you guys are interested, this is the Gen 2 Tracs. Here's some, I don't know if you can see that, but if you guys are interested in trying to see how kind of it looks on my boat or will look in your boat, this is it. Some of the stuff you may need to install these rails, I'm using some painter's tape, getting a Sharpie, a drill. This holds calls for a 1/8 drill bit, and these are the screws. This is a self-tapping screws, so you don't have to worry about getting under the within the cavity of the boat and be having to screw lug nuts or anything like that for it. So self-tapping screws, and that's pretty much it. The reason I'm using painter's tape is once I know the spot where I want my rails, I'm gonna tape them there so it doesn't shift on me. And the reason I'm gonna use the Sharpie is in case it does shift, I can know where the holes are, okay? So let's get into this.
Step 1, wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Yo, set your affirmations, aspirations. I got shit to do, the aftermath of preparation. Good food, good mood, blood in circulation. One step at a time, yeah, that's how you make it. Set a goal you control and the steps you take them. I try to pick one thought, have some concentration. And if I make a mistake, it's called education. I try to do this every day, call it replication. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 So life ain't easy, yo, I think there's a reason though. Ups and downs, just like every different season, yo. Sometimes I'm high, other times I'm barely breathing, though. I always gotta fight and hide from the demons, yo. Negative thoughts are poison, they rot. Head full of flies, so here come the clouds. They'll never stop unless I can swap all the bad for the good in my head when I'm lost. Yeah, so I'ma fake it till I make it. Positive thoughts are overtaken, I got patience. One day at a time is how you operate a cadence. A flow, you grow, you show yourself a foundation. Stay away from all the shit that causes temptation. I know that I like to do it cause it's sensation. I live my life in my head like a narration. Don't expect greatness, do my best, man, I'll take it. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. 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 Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.
Wake up early, gonna rise with the sun. Step 2, get some good, some food in you. Step 3, think real hard about what you wanna be. Step 4, everybody just do your thing.
All right guys, so here I have the YakAttack flag. That's how it looks in the bottom. You can exchange the flag to whatever you want. Just go check out their website. You turn this one around, turn this clockwise, light comes on, counterclockwise like come off. So let's go ahead and put them on the rail. And pretty much just align it with the rail. Here you go. Go as far as you want to go. Twist, twist. Tighten up. That's pretty much it. And now you have a really stable flag over here. You can travel in night, early mornings, or just have it on for those big boats to see you guys. All right, guys, that is it for this video. If you guys are interested on any of these YakAttack products, I'm gonna leave a link in the description. Also, if you have any questions, leave them in the comment below. Please do me a solid, like, subscribe, and share with the homies. I'll catch you guys next time. Peace.
Good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day. Wake up, today's gonna be a good day.